In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build SOPs in ClickUp and the three parts of a great SOP. An SOP, or Standard Operating Procedure, is your team's playbook for getting work done the same reliable way every time. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a ready-to-use SOP in ClickUp and a simple framework to keep every procedure clear and consistent. First, open ClickUp and head into the workspace where you want your SOP to live. Make sure you're in the right place for your team because your new SOP will inherit the space's settings and visibility. Next, look to the left sidebar and locate your team space. This is where your folders, lists, and docs are organized. Being in the correct space keeps your SOP easy to find and aligned with the work it supports. Now, click Templates. This opens ClickUp's Template Center, where you can speed things up by starting from a professional structure rather than a blank page. Templates help you maintain consistency across your organization, especially as your library of procedures grows. In the Template Center, search for SOP. You'll see a variety of options. Preview one that matches your use case, then select it. Give your SOP a clear, descriptive name, something that makes sense at a glance, and confirm where it will be added. Click to apply or use the template, then wait a moment while it loads into your space. This import step may take a bit depending on the template size, so be patient. Once the template appears, you'll see it categorized with pre-labeled sections and fields you can tailor. This is where you customize. As you adjust, keep the three parts of a great SOP in mind. First, purpose. Clarify what the procedure covers, when to use it, and any prerequisites or scope. This gives readers instant context and reduces questions. Second, process. Lay out the exact actions in the order they should happen. Keep steps specific, assign an owner where needed, and note tools or links directly in the task or doc so nothing is scattered. Third, proof. Define what done looks like. Add acceptance criteria, required attachments, or checklists so the outcome is verifiable. Refine the template's titles, statuses, and custom fields to match your terminology. Use consistent naming so teammates can search and find SOPs quickly. If helpful, embed short screenshots or a quick screen recording for tricky steps. Finally, consider adding a last updated date and a reviewer field to make maintenance part of your routine. Save your changes, and your ClickUp SOP is ready to use and share.